Guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun pumpkin Dollar Tree DIY. So we're going to start with some of these wood shavings. Now, these are like the wood shavings that you use for like pet bedding, for like bunnies, hamsters, and stuff like that. They're really inexpensive. You can get them at the pet store, and you get like a giant bag of them. What I want to do is cover one of the Dollar Tree foam pumpkins with them to make it look like a wood shaving pumpkin. I wasn't sure if this was going to work, but I absolutely love how it turned out. Now, I really wanted a strong glue, so I'm using some of that Dollar Tree tacky glue, and I'm doing half of the pumpkin at a time. I thought that would be the easiest. You might want to do top, bottom, and then the sides because it does kind of want to go off the sides a little bit. But just kind of like breading something, I got it wet with the glue, laid it into the wood chips, and then I kind of turned it over, adding more of the wood shavings to it. I thought this would look really cute, like with my neutral fall decor. And I thought it would be a really fun way to do like a wood pumpkin. So beware, this is going to be a little bit messy. I do want to try to spray some glue on it. Dollar Tree sometimes has this spray glue. I've been having a little bit of trouble finding it there, but kind of like with gluing sand, you can glue, put some more glue on there with the spray, and then I just add some more of the wood chips. Trying to make sure they stay. Using the white foam pumpkin is a little bit better probably because if you do see through it, you won't be able to see like some of the color foam pumpkins that they have at Dollar Tree. So let's do the other half. I'm just covering it with the tacky glue as well, getting it as thick as I can, and we're gonna kind of bread this pumpkin too. So I did notice it was kind of falling off the sides a little bit, so just adding more to that if I can to get really good coverage. I use some more of this spray glue on top to make sure everything stays put, and see if I can add a little bit more to the sides that were looking a little bit bare. And you can kind of patch it in. I'm using a combination of the tacky glue and the spray glue to patch it in. I wasn't sure if this was going to work, but I'm glad I stuck with it because it turned out so pretty. It's a little bit fragile, but not as much as you would expect. So again, just reinforcing the sides. That's why I'm thinking I probably should have done the top and bottom and then the sides separately because I did have to kind of keep gluing more on the sides for what falls off when you kind of stand it up. Now that looks pretty good, I'm going to go ahead and spray it down with some more glue. Give it a little pumpkin stem using one of these wood stems from the Dollar Tree, just right inside the foam pumpkin. And I really want it to last, so I'm going to seal it with some of this Mod Podge spray sealer. I thought that might harden them, make it stay put, and I'm glad that it did because it did make it a less crumbly piece. And this is how it turned out, our little wood shaving pumpkin. I think it just needs a little tendril. I'm going to actually take one of the wire tendrils just off the Dollar Tree acorns, kind of rewind it to get it just how I want it. I don't want it to have a lot of decor. I want it to be very neutral and kind of stand out just like it is. So I just place that next to the pumpkin stem, and there it is, our little wood shavings pumpkin Dollar Tree DIY. If you like more Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.